Hello dear students. Here are some of the multiple choice questions on English for Business Communication of BCom Part 1 Semester 2. So let's start. The first question: which part of the letter consists of an email address, telephone and fax number? And options are enclosure, salutation, letterhead, signatory. And correct answer is option number 3, letterhead. Question number 2. Which word or phrase on the business letter tells the mail clerk to deliver the letter to the recipient unopened? And options are for the attention of, courtesy copy, subject, confidential. And fourth option is correct one, confidential. Means that clerk should not open it. It should be delivered, okay, to the recipient unopened. Next, the subject of the letter is normally typed after the complementary clause. True, false, don't know, can't say. And it is false. Okay. Next, orders for goods are placed on a seller after his quotation is accepted. And options are true, false, don't know, can't say. And correct option is option number 1, true. Next, Premchand is one of the India's greatest story writers in literature. Marathi, Hindi, English, Tamil. So you know very well that Premchand is one of the India's famous Hindi story writer. Next, while placing an order, the quantity of the goods must be stated. True, false, don't know, can't say. And while placing an order, the quantity of the goods must be stated is true. Next, I'm busy right now. Can you later? Hang up, call back, call through, disconnect. And the right answer is call back. Can you call back later? So option number 2 is right. Next, where is the name of the company placing the order mentioned? Top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner. And correct option is top right corner. Okay, so go with option number 2. Next, a telephone call in which 3 or more people can hear and speak with one another is a conference call, rob call, busy signal, hang up. You know very well that it is a conference call. So go with option number 1. Next, Gaidi Maupassant is writer, a French, an American, a Russian, an Italian. You know very well. He is a French writer. Okay. Let's move forward. If someone leaves you a message on voicemail, you have to it. Read, text, listen, dial. You know it is voicemail, so you have to listen it. There is no any other option. So option number 3 is correct one. Next, Guy de Maupassant is well known for form of literature. The novel, the short story, the poetry, can't say. And Maupassant is well known for short story writing. Okay, so option number 2 is correct. The poem Telephone Conversation is written by Rabindranath Tagore, John Keats, Ole Soyinka, P.B. Shelley. And Telephone Conversation is a poem by Ole Soyinka. Okay. Next, telephone conversation has often been described as a powerful and senior agent to social change, political change, economic change, religious change. And option number 1 is correct. Next, telephone conversation is a conversation between two Americans, a Negro and a white lady, two Africans, an Indian and a European. So here option number 2 is correct. It is a conversation between a Negro person and a white lady. Okay. The necklace was published in 1886, 1884, 1888, 1890, and it is published in 1884. So choose the second option. Tense is used to describe past experiences, present tense, future tense, past tense, future continuous tense. And to describe past experiences, we need past tense. So option number 3 is right one. The necklace was published in So, the necklace was published in Les Gaulies. Okay, that is the fourth option is correct one. It is a French word. Tense is used in the sentence Neha leads a much disciplined life. Simple past tense, present continuous tense, simple future tense, simple present tense. And here option number 4, simple present tense is correct one. Okay, so Neha leads a much disciplined life. It is in a simple present tense. Next, Madame Lucille's first name was Jean Mathilde Sin Rampenou. Okay, Rampenou. And Madame Lucille's first name was Mathilde. So option number 2 is correct. Usually in business calls, the language used is spoken English, informal, formal, familiar, common. You know very well. We use formal English in business English, okay? The speaker's voice in telephone conversation is well educated, polished. Well educated and polished, none of these. And option number 3 is the correct one. That is the speaker's voice in telephone conversation is well educated and polished. Okay. So let's move forward. Monsieur Louisel was a in the Ministry of Education. Minister, officer, clerk, secretary. You know very well. He was working as a clerk. Go with third option. Okay. Next question. One of the most important things to remember during a phone call is to maintain a and friendly tone. Polite, private, arrogant, familiar. Yeah, you have to maintain a polite and friendly tone. Okay, so choose the first option. Next, the Lucille's found a diamond necklace exactly like the one lost in a shop at Champ Élysées, Rue Martyrs, Sin Palace Royal, and they found same necklace in Palace Royal. Option number 4 is correct. The man in telephone conversation is a or an African, European, American, Indian. So he is a black person. So he is an African. Okay. Madame Forestier was Mathilde's neighbor, sister, friend, mother. And Madame Forestier was Mathilde's friend. Okay. So option number 3 is correct one. The landlady in telephone conversation is black, white, blue, brown. And the landlady in telephone conversation is white lady. Okay, so keep in mind. Next, the actual worth of the lost necklace was about francs, 500, 400, 1000, 5000. And the actual worth of that lost necklace was just 500 rupees. So option number 1 is correct. Next, the conversation in telephone conversation is on bus fare, exam program, rent, tax, and we know that it is a conversation on rent. Okay, so go with option number 3. Lucille has saved 400 francs to buy a watch, car, ring, gun, and we know that Lucille had saved 400 francs to buy a gun. So option number 4 is correct. Next, Madam, I won. I hate a wasted journey. I am American, African, Mexican, Indian. And you know that I am African. Option number 2 is correct. Next, Lucille wished to go to Nanterre for bird watching, fishing, lark shooting, holidaying, and he wanted to go for bird watching. Bird watching was his passion. Okay, so option number 1 is correct. Malala has received the Nobel Prize together with Wole Soyinka, Abhijit Banerjee, Kailash Satyarthi, Nelson Mandela. And you know very well that Malala received the Nobel Prize with Kailash Satyarthi. Option number 3 is the right one. Mathalie Lucy left the party at about in the morning 4, 5, 6, 7, and she left the party at about 4 in the morning. So go with option number 1. Next, the word class of distraction is verb, adjective, noun, adverb, and distraction is a noun. So option number 3 is the correct. Next, tense is used in this sentence. The man took him near the balloons. Simple present, simple past, simple future, past perfect, and it is a simple past tense. Okay, man took him. Okay, the word lag means hurry, fast, delay, control, and word lag means delay. Okay. Next, Lucille had to attend office at in the morning 9, 10, 8, 11, and he had to attend office at 10 in the morning. So go with option number 2. Next question, Malala says our future is in the society, family, classroom, politics, and she says that our future is in the classroom. So everyone should get education. Mathalie selected a necklace from Madame Forestier's jewels, gold, pearl, diamond, platinum, and she selected, you know very well, diamond necklace. Next, Malala is and person, arrogant, committed, arrogant, stubborn, sharp, stubborn, committed, stubborn. And the right answer is, she says that I am committed and stubborn person. So option number 4 is the correct. Madame Lucille was unhappy because of poverty, husband, ugliness, party, and she was unhappy because of her poverty. So option number 1 is correct. Malala expresses her gratitude to her father for his money, his love, his ideas not clipping her wings, and she expresses her gratitude to her father for not clipping her wings and letting her fly. So option number 4 is correct. Next, one day Madame Lucille went for a walk to Champs-Élysées, Palace Royal, Rue de Martyrs, Seine, and she goes to uh, Champs-Élysées. So option number 1 is correct. Next, who is the champion of children's right in India? Kailash Satyarthi, Malala Yousafzai, both of them, none of them. And we know that in India, who is the champion of children's right? That is Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, option number 1 is correct one. Next, Madame Lucille managed to get same necklace for 36,000 francs, 40,000 francs, 35,000 francs, 42,000 francs, and right answer is 36,000 francs. Next, who calls Malala the happiest girl in the world? Her grandmother, her father, her mother, her grandfather, and the right answer is her grandfather. Okay. Her grandfather named her as Malala, the happiest girl in the world. Okay. The couple begged the jeweler not to sell the necklace for days 2, 3, 4, 5, and the couple begged the jeweler not to sell the necklace for 3 days. Okay, so go with option number 2. It's 3. Okay. Next, Malala was named after the inspirational Persian Joan of Arc, Malalai of Maiwand. Yeah, and option number 1 is correct, Malalai of Maiwand. Next, who danced madly at the party? Madame Lucille, Monsieur Lucille, Madame Forestier, none of these. And Madame Lucille, that is Mathalie, danced madly at the party. Okay, next. The word Malala means, just a minute. The word Malala means happy, grief stricken, sad, both B and C. And correct option is 4, that Malala means both grief stricken and sad. Both are having similar meaning. Okay. Next, the dinner table was covered with old cloth. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, a week. And the dinner table was covered with 2 days old cloth. Next, Malala says it is time to take action so it becomes the last time that we see a child deprived of money, books, education, poverty. And she says that it is time to take action so it becomes the last time that we see a child deprived of education. Option number 3. Next question. Centaur is a mythical figure with a man's head and body. Elephants, lions, horse, zebra. Centaur is a mythical figure with a man's head and horse body. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct. Next, Malala won Nobel Prize in 2014 because she fights for the right of education to everyone. She fights against Taliban. She is a social writer. She created an interesting story about her parents. But she got Nobel Prize for her work. Okay, that is, she fights for the right of education to everyone. Option number 1 is correct. Next, Porter of all sorrows refers to Jesus Christ, Nelson Mandela, the white man, the black man. And Porter of all sorrows refers to the black man. Okay, so option number 4 is correct. Malala was shot in her head because, just let me correct here. Okay. Because she supported boys' education, she supported girl education, she supported illiteracy, none of this. And she was shot in her because she supported girl education. Okay, girls' education. Next. Is the color for special occasions, black, white, grey, red. So special occasions, it is a white color for the special occasions according to the poet. So option number 2 is correct. Next, who wrote the poem I Thank You God? Bernadette, Guy de Maupassant, Malala Yousafzai, none of these. And the writer of the poem I Thank You God is Bernadette. Go with option number 1. Next, is the color for every day, black, white, grey, red. So it's a black. Black is the color for every day. Okay, so option number 1 is correct. The poet says, I have carried the world since the first morning, night, evening, both A and C. And right option is 4th, that both A and C. Poet says, I have carried the word since the first morning. And in the poem again we get another line saying that I have carried the world since the first evening. Okay, so both A and C are correct. Next, the first morning and the last enemy refers to the creation of world, Africa, black man, hell. And it refers to the creation of black man. Option number 3 is the correct. Next, who is the porter of all sorrows? The white man, the black man, both of these, none of these. So porter of all sorrows is the black man. Option number 2 is right one. Next question, 36 swords and 36 fires refers to of Christ, birth, struggle, crucifixion, work. And you know that 36 swords and 36 fires refers to crucifixion of Christ. The poet says, I thank you God for creating me white, black, porter, master. She says, poet says, I thank you God for creating me black. Option number 2 is the right. The poem I Thank You God celebrates being white, being black, African slavery, African independence. and the poem celebrates being black. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct. Give the adverb form of touch. Touching, touch, touchingly, touched. An adverb form of touch is touchingly. Option number 3 is correct. Next, Daddy compares the blacks with whites, Jesus Christ, Negroes, none of these. And Daddy compares the blacks with Jesus Christ. Option number 2 is correct. And last question, what is the title of your paper? English, compulsory English, English for communication, communicational English, or English for business communication? And here option number 4 is the right. What? It is English for communication. Okay, so choose the right option. Okay, so this is all from my side. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching it, and I wish you all the best for your further studies. Thank you.